Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of changing the motor on your CONGA 5796. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of pliers, and a torque wrench for reassembling. First, ensure that the device is unplugged and completely cooled down before starting any work. Begin by removing the cover screws located at the back of the device. These are typically Phillips screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully detach the cover, exposing the internal components. Next, take a moment to clean the interior of the device with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, so this step helps maintain the overall health of your machine. Once the interior is clean, locate the motor. It is usually secured with several screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly later. If you encounter any resistance, check for any additional screws that might be holding the motor in place. Now, gently disconnect the wires connected to the motor. Take a photo or make a note of where each wire connects to ensure you can reconnect them correctly later. If you're unsure about handling wires or don't have the tools required, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After disconnecting the wires, you can now lift the motor out of its housing. Place it aside and get your new motor ready for installation. Before placing the new motor in, double-check that the housing is clean and free of any debris. Install the new motor by carefully positioning it in the housing. Reconnect the wires in the same configuration as before. If you're not comfortable with this step, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, which can save you a trip and hassle. With the motor in place, it's time to secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring that the motor is firmly secured. Next, replace the device cover. Make sure to align it properly before inserting the screws. Once again, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the cover in place. Finally, plug in the device and perform a test run to ensure that the motor is functioning correctly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully changed the motor on your CONGA 5796. If you run into issues or need assistance at any point, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front without any surprises. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful for your DIY repair project. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.